I'm going to explain about merging detected duplicate accounts and how it works in general. There's lots of ways you can detect duplicates, such as using CRM's built-in tools. You can manually search or use some other utilities outside of CRM to do it, but no matter how you find the duplicates, once you've actually found them, there's the merging, and that's what I'm going to be explaining here. So, for example, you can see two detected duplicate accounts here. The way I detected them in this case was I just saw that they had the same name, and what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to select both of them. So the way you do this is you select the first one, and then you hold down Control and select on the second one. Now they're both selected, and what I can do is click the merge button. And the window that shows up will be asking me to choose a master record. This record will become the results of the two merged records, and the record that isn't the master record will still exist, but as an inactive account, so as not to clog things up. So now I can select which values from either account will be stored in the master record. Anything that isn't stored in the master record will be stored in the inactive record. So I'll just go through the fields. For the account name, I'll choose Acme Inc. to be in the master record instead of the one with the period at the end. These are both the same, these are both the same. There's really no difference here, so it doesn't matter. And in this case, I'll choose the one with actual information. Here I'll choose the one with the www dot. So that's the same, that's the same, that's pretty much the same, that's the same. And here there's actually information. Choosing this one. Okay, well this has more information here. This is a little more detailed, so I'll select to keep this one. Here for the currency, I guess there's the information is on this one in this case, so I'll select that. This is all the same, this is all the same, and there. So all the selected values now will be stored in the master account, and any values that weren't selected, these are going to be stored in the inactive account. So now what I can do is I can press OK, because I'm happy with my settings. So pressing OK, and it merges the records. Okay. So now you can see here in active accounts, here's the one resultant master account. It has all the information here that I decided to put into it. And there's still the old account though in inactive accounts, right here. So if you can remember, this one I decided it would have the period at the end, because I didn't really care about that. And you can see if I click on it, it's inactive, and it also is going to let me know that it was merged with this master account here. So one more piece of information that might be useful to know is that when two records are merged, any reference to either of the merged records is automatically changed to the master record. So for example, if I have a couple references to both Acme accounts being as them being a vendor, so like Acme is a vendor for say whatever, and both either duplicate account is a vendor, then what happens is when I merge the two, every single reference will be changed to the resultant master account. So that's a bit about merging records and just how it works in general.